face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Nana Yao and I do videos about how to make money online and text. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money and learn as well, then please, this channel is for you. Hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. In this video I just want to show you guys how you can make money doing transcription work. Yeah, not you even doing the work. It's like I also show you a software which will help you easily do the transcription work. So you have to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss the software. So without wasting much time, I'll never keep this video long, so I think we should proceed. So first of all, the website that we're gonna use is Gotranscript.com. Gotranscript.com, or you can search Gotranscript on Google and you will discover it. This is how it looks like. This is Gotranscript.com. So if you in, just scroll down. If you scroll down, then we will click on for transcriptions. So we click on it, and as you can see, there are two ways to earn from here. Either you work or you do affiliate. So let's tackle the work one. You click on work. Okay, so transcription jobs available worldwide. Okay, so we pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. So up to they pay up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. So they will pay you 60 cents per minute and average earnings per month. So let's assume you work 1 hour. Let's assume you've submitted audio or videos 1 hour. So that's let's go to our calculator. Let's use calculator. Okay, so they pay 60 cents per minute. So let's assume you've submitted audio or videos per minute or per hour. So 60 cents, sorry, is the delete. 60 cents times 60, which is 1 hour. I think every 60 minutes is equal to an hour. So 60 cents per hour, that's $36. So you can make $36 over and over again. So it's cool. I've never seen a site that pays like this. It's cool. So all you have to do is click on apply, then they will accept you and you start the work. I'll show you a software which you will use to make the transcription work, and it's easy to use and you can use it to make money out of here. So as we saw here, you can also do an affiliate. You promote other transcriptionists, then they will pay you for every they will pay you commissions per every purchase that you make for promoting them. So for that one to join now and earn money by promoting one of the best transcriptions services. So it's cool. You can do this. You can do this to make money. You hit on start earning now, and you can make it. You can make it. That dedicated account manager, get your commission, generous commissions. We convert all goes to types of traffic, and it's cool. You can work, you can promote other transcriptionists and make commissions as well. So if you think that doing the work is complicated or you don't like it, you can then forget and promote the best transcriptionist on Gotranscript, and you can make money for that one too. So I won't waste your time. Let me show you the software. As I said, I'll keep this video short. For the software, you have to search for NCH software. Okay, NCH software. So we'll click on the first one. Okay, I'm on a mobile type. I'm using a mobile phone, but if you are using a PC, you will see a download behind it. So you click on the download, then the software would be downloaded, and it will help you do the transcription work easily, and it's simple. It's really simple, and you can make money using this software to do transcription work. Yeah, this is the icon. So you will see a download beside it. I'm on a mobile version, or I'm using a mobile phone, so I'll not be able to download this software. But if you are using a PC, you would be able to download this software and use it to make money on Gotranscript.com. So this is really good and it's cool, and I think everybody can make money out of here. And if you are interested in promoting or doing the affiliate work, there is a website called essential.com. You can use that site to promote your Gotranscript affiliate. Essential.com is a full of people who are interested in transcription works, who need transcriptionists to do their works for them. So you can go to that website, then you write something like, hey, I've got somebody who can do your transcription work for you. So if you are interested, please hit me up, or you can drop your affiliate link, like, hey, if you are interested, just click on this link to get your transcription work done for you within a minute, or something like that. You can create something so that people would be interested in your links. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved it, hit on the subscribe button. But if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So guys, this is what I have for you. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and hope to see you next time. Bye.
Tell me that you love me.